Rosete, delivering the ball. Rosete, erase. Traveling. Reyes. 1 minute and 40. Pass to Belmonte. Back to Reyes. Eupenia. 10. Sablay. Torres for the rebound. Torres pass to Egipto. Egipto pass to Pulguera. Sablay. And Zamora. Ilang. Belmonte. Trading the ball. Pass to Montañez. Montañez. Angat.
Aywa.
And Rosete.
Pasok sa ate, ate.
Rosete pa rin. Sablay, rebound, Belmonte. Belmonte to Eupenia. Eupenia for 3.
Ayun, wala, grabe, galing.
Eupenia for parking lot for 3. Rosete trim the ball. 42 seconds remaining, 14 to shoot. Rosete for 3. Short. And Belmonte for the rebound pass to Reyes. Reyes with the ball. Reyes for the ball fake. There's a foul. Gun foul. Rosete number 02. First personal foul. First team foul.
Taran!
And 2 free throws for Reyes. Oh, nandito sa blind. 31 seconds remaining.
Ayun, alam mo
And
ba?
Delatro sa blind. Nasa
Ayun,
labas
Montañez na naman natin.
24 seconds.
Sayang.
Football yan. Di pwede triple, pwede taputin. Ayun na, Pulgueras. And there's a foul. Patay mali siya si Belmonte. First personal foul, penalty. 15 seconds remaining.
Magaling na si Honey.
True.
Oh, nandira sa
Bilang
blind.
ko lang sariling court yan.
Last throw.
Ikaw ba naman ang laging bago ang sapatos ate?
Oo, pag di pa nga naman.
Sulit na yung bayad ng sapatos.
Di pa nga naman.
And the last throw is good. Kembra Pulgueras, 15 seconds. Belmonte, pass to Reyes. Reyes. Still 8. 5. Egipto. Sablay. Minadali. And the first quarter.